If you're seeing the Godaddy error saving your card, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This issue usually comes down to billing details, browser problems, card restrictions, or even a currency mismatch on your account. The good news is that most people can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any technical skills. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and account fix guides just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it tells YouTube to show these solutions to more people who need them. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is verify your billing information. Godaddy can reject a card if even one small detail doesn't match what your bank has on file. Re-enter your card information carefully and make sure everything is exactly correct. Pay close attention to the zip or postal code, the country, the cardholder name, and the billing address. Even something as small as a typo or an old address can trigger the saving error. If you recently moved or updated your bank details, this is especially important. Next, disable any ad blockers or browser extensions that might interfere with the page. Some ad blockers can block the security capture or payment verification elements Godaddy needs before it can save your card. If you have an ad blocker enabled, turn it off temporarily and refresh the page. You can also try disabling privacy extensions, script blockers, or pop-up blockers just for the Godaddy site. Once those are turned off, try saving the card again and see if the error goes away. If that still doesn't work, switch browsers. Sometimes the issue is not your card at all, but the browser itself. A browser may have corrupted cache files, outdated cookies, or extension conflicts that prevent payment forms from loading properly. Try opening Godaddy in another browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If it works in a different browser, then you know the issue is browser related and not with your account or card. You can also try opening the site in an incognito or private window to rule out extension issues more quickly. Now let's check the card itself. Make sure your card is valid, not expired, and has enough funds available. Some banks also block online or international transactions by default, so even if the card is active, it may still fail when you try to save it. If your bank offers card controls in their app, check whether online purchases, international payments, or recurring payments are enabled. Also, keep in mind that not every card type is supported everywhere. If Godaddy still refuses the payment method, try another card if you have one available. A different debit or credit card often solves the issue immediately. The next thing to check is your default currency. This is a very important step that many people miss. Go to your Godaddy profile page and verify that your default currency is set correctly for your region. If your currency setting doesn't match your location or card provider, Godaddy may have trouble accepting and saving the payment method. Updating the currency to the correct region can fix hidden billing conflicts that aren't obvious at first glance. At this point, if you've gone through all the steps and the error is still showing, go back and retest the process after each change. Sometimes the fix is a combination of small issues, like a browser conflict plus a billing mismatch. The key is to change one thing at a time so you can identify what solved it. So to recap, re-enter your billing details carefully, disable ad blockers, try a different browser, confirm the card is valid and authorized for online or international use, and check that your Godaddy default currency matches your region. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and let you save your card successfully. If this video helped you fix the Godaddy error saving your card, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.